My name is Chris Pock, and I'm a BI analyst at CyberMedics. Here at CyberMedics, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional results for our clients. Let us help you bring your data to life through effective storytelling and take your operation to the next level. In past experiences, I've encountered times where the data was not robust enough and it wasn't being used properly to deliver results that we really wanted to get to. My job is to make sure that whatever data that you're bringing in, we tell a story with that and make sure that we're using that to bring your business forward, whether that's important KPIs or whether you're trying to track effective operational efficiencies. We can help you do that. Oftentimes we'll encounter situations where the data is not completely accurate, and it's critical that the data is cleaned up to the point where it's usable and is going to deliver accurate results across the entire spectrum of the operation. So all stakeholders have access to the same data set and we're not looking at different numbers. Sometimes the data that comes in is a little too high level. We need to bring it down to a more granular level so we can actually dissect it and make use of it. Unfortunately, sometimes data is, the way that the data is being collected is the problem, more so than the data itself. So sometimes it has to do with more so us helping you to achieve the results that we're looking for where we're collecting the data portion. And then sometimes it's more so massaging the data and making sure that we're bringing the data set into what we need it to be.
Contact CyberMedics today to schedule a detailed consultation, and let's engineer the future of your enterprise's digital evolution. Call us at 321-300-7130 or visit www.cybermedics.com.